This is the remote control circuit. This is the relay switch. You can easily control your 220 volt fan or light by using this relay switch. And this is the IR receiver. So now let's go to see how to work this circuit. I connected this bulb with this circuit. This bulb running on 220 volt AC and this circuit running on 5 volt DC. You showed the red LED has been lighted. That means the circuit is closed. The bulb is not lighted. Now I press the remote button. The lamp has been lighted and the green LED has been lighted. The device has turned on. Now again I press the remote button. The red LED has lighted. That means the lamp has been off. Now I connected my table fan with the circuit. The circuit is closed. The red LED has been lighted. Now I press the remote button. The fan is turned on. Now again press. The fan is turned off. You are watching Basic Android and Electronics. If you haven't subscribed Basic Android and Electronics yet, please subscribe.